Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into how to connect your Java backend to your HTML/CSS frontend. It's like building a bridge between what the user sees and interacts with, the frontend, and the engine that powers everything behind the scenes, the backend. This connection allows your web application to be dynamic and interactive. Let's explore the key methods involved. Firstly, using servlets and JSPs is a common approach. Servlets are Java programs that handle HTTP requests. They receive requests from the frontend and send responses back. JSPs are like HTML pages with Java code embedded within them. They make it easier to generate dynamic HTML. You can use servlets to process data and then forward the request to a JSP for rendering the HTML to be displayed to the user. Secondly, employing the Spring framework offers a robust and streamlined way to connect the frontend and backend. Spring MVC is a module within Spring specifically designed for building web applications. It provides a model view controller, MVC, architecture, which separates concerns and makes your code more maintainable. The controller handles requests, interacts with the model, your data, and selects the view, usually a JSP or timeleaf template, to display. Spring Boot simplifies the setup and configuration of your Spring applications. Thirdly, RESTful APIs are a popular choice for modern web applications. REST, representational state transfer, is an architectural style that defines how data should be exchanged between the frontend and backend. Java frameworks like Spring Boot make it easy to create RESTful APIs. The backend exposes endpoints, URLs, that the frontend can access using HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete. The data is typically exchanged in JSON, JavaScript object notation, format, which is easy for both JavaScript, frontend, and Java, backend, to parse. The frontend can use JavaScript's fetch API or libraries like Axios to make requests to the backend's REST endpoints. These APIs respond with data, which the frontend then uses to update the user interface. Consider a scenario where a user submits a form on your website. The JavaScript on the frontend would send a post request to a REST endpoint on your Java backend. The backend would process the data, maybe save it to a database, and then send back a response indicating success or failure. The frontend would then update the UI to reflect the result. Remember to handle potential errors and exceptions gracefully. Proper error handling makes your application more reliable. Also, consider security aspects like authentication and authorization to protect your data. Connecting the frontend and backend is a crucial step in building dynamic web applications. Choose the approach that best suits your project's needs and your skill set. Understanding these methods will empower you to create powerful and engaging web experiences. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others. Your support helps us create more content like this. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.